Good morning, guys. We're back to the 1884 restoration project in downtown Norfolk. Today we are continuing to work on the monster gable. I just finished bending the copper for one of the pigeon walks. As you can see, it's kind of complicated to get the bends in the sheet of copper that's required, and to get the sealing edges so we get no water boiling up under the copper. Also, a added attraction this morning, we had $52,000 worth of hand-milled mahogany lap siding delivered this morning. That will be started shortly. Let's see if I can get you a better look at it. 4,100 linear feet, 5-inch solid mahogany, and our corner boards are going to be made from our fluted material. As you can see, the flutes are cut in. These will be all of our corner boards from the ground up to the cornice line. So we've got quite a bit ahead of us over the next several months, and we'll be taking this project and keeping you up to date with the project as it goes. As you can see, the wraparound porch is being reinstalled. It was taken down many years ago, and according to the blueprints of the original house, there was a wraparound porch, so that's being reinstalled as we go. Thanks. I'll keep you updated as we go.